Have you ever wondered why some people seem to move steadily toward financial freedom while others struggle paycheck to paycheck, no matter how hard they work? The truth is, financial success doesn't happen by accident. It happens by planning. Without a roadmap, money slips through our fingers and the future feels uncertain. But when you have a clear plan, every dollar has a purpose, and each decision takes you closer to your dreams. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 powerful steps to create a financial plan for your future, one that will give you confidence, stability, and peace of mind. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Your financial journey begins with knowing exactly where you want to go. Think about what truly matters to you. Do you want to own a home, send your children to good schools, retire early, or perhaps start your own business? Goals are the destination, and your financial plan is the map that guides you there. Don't just keep your goals in your head. Write them down and be specific. Break them into short-term goals you want to achieve within a year, medium-term goals for the next 5 years, and long-term goals that stretch into retirement. With clear goals in place, your money stops wandering aimlessly and starts moving with direction. Step 2. Know your current situation. Before you can chart a path to where you want to be, you need to know exactly where you are today. This means creating a financial snapshot of your current life. Write down your total monthly income, track your spending habits, and list all your debts, savings, and investments. When you see everything on paper, patterns begin to emerge. Maybe you're spending too much on unnecessary expenses, or maybe you're not saving as much as you thought. Understanding your starting point gives you the clarity you need to make better decisions moving forward. Step 3. Create a realistic budget. A budget isn't about depriving yourself. It's about gaining control over your money. Think of it as giving every dollar a job. One of the simplest approaches is the 50-30-20 rule. Use 50% of your income for needs like rent, food, and bills, 30% for wants like entertainment or shopping, and at least 20% for savings and investments. When you budget wisely, you create balance. You enjoy life today while still preparing for tomorrow. A realistic budget transforms money from a source of stress into a powerful tool for achieving your dreams. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. Cars break down, medical bills appear, jobs get lost. Without a safety net, these unexpected events can throw your entire financial plan off track. That's why an emergency fund is non-negotiable. Start small if you need to. Even saving a little each week adds up over time. Your ultimate goal should be to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. An emergency fund brings peace of mind because you know that no matter what happens, you won't have to rely on debt or panic in a crisis. Step 5. Pay off high-interest debts. Debt is one of the greatest obstacles to financial freedom, especially high-interest debt like credit cards or payday loans. These types of debt eat away at your income, leaving you with less to save and invest. If you want to move forward, you have to lighten the load. Start by listing your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest. Focus on paying off the most expensive ones first, while still making minimum payments on the rest. Each debt you clear is like breaking free from a chain. The sooner you tackle debt, the faster you'll unlock the ability to build real wealth. Step 6. Invest for growth. Saving money is important, but if your savings just sit in a bank account, they lose value over time because of inflation. That's why investing is essential. Investing allows your money to work for you, multiplying over time through the power of compound interest. Whether it's stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, investments are the fuel that will drive your financial plan forward. You don't have to be an expert. Start small, seek advice if you need it, and focus on long-term growth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, and the more secure your financial future becomes. Step 7. Review and adjust your plan. A financial plan isn't something you create once and forget about. Life changes, jobs change, families grow, economies shift. That's why it's important to review your plan regularly, at least once a year. Ask yourself, am I still on track with my goals? Do I need to adjust my budget, increase my investments, or change my priorities? By reviewing and adjusting, you keep your plan alive and relevant, ensuring it always matches your current reality and future dreams. Flexibility is the key to staying on the path of financial success. By following these 7 steps, Setting goals, knowing your situation, creating a budget, building an emergency fund, paying off debt, investing for growth, and reviewing regularly, you create a powerful roadmap for your financial future. Remember, it doesn't matter where you start, what matters is that you take the first step today. Financial security isn't about luck, it's about planning, discipline, and consistency. The sooner you start, the brighter your future will be. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe for more financial wisdom that can change your life. And in the comments, let me know, what's the very first step you're going to take toward your financial plan?